Hi everyone, my name is Gayatri and here we are going to discuss how to change the Java compiler in case we are facing any compatibility issues. Sometimes we need to upgrade and sometimes we need to downgrade from the setting. So how can we do it? I installed Java 17 in my system. So let me just go and check the version of JDK which I installed. Yes, so it is Java 17. Now let me close the command prompt and let me just right click if I want to upgrade or downgrade if I'm facing some compatibility issues. Sometimes I need to upgrade the compiler, sometimes I need to downgrade. So how I will do it, because I have already installed Java 17 in my system. So I have to right click on the particular project for which I'm working. Now I need to go to properties. Fine. So here we can see properties for com, like what is exactly the project name. The project name is com.case.nic, right? So now here we can see something called Java compiler. You can see over here Java compiler. So we need to go to this particular option and here we can see one option which is already enabled, use compliance from the execution environment J2SE 1.5. So now what I have to do is I need to change the compiler. Fine. So now this is what the default one, J2SE 1.5. Now I need to change. Fine. It may be like I need to upgrade or downgrade. So what I need to do is I need to disable this option. Fine. And immediately I can see this select box has been enabled and it will allow me to select the specific compiler. So here the default one, it is taking 1.5. Now I want to change it to 17. Fine. Now let me just go for apply. Fine. Now let me just go for the compiler setting have changed, rebuild the project to apply the changes. Now let us say yes and let's say apply and let's say apply and close. Fine. Now what I have to do is I have to cross check whether my project is still working with the updated compiler. Now this is what the runner class. I am just going to run as Java application. Yes, fine. So probably sometimes if we are facing some kind of compatibility issues while working on automation or while working on a specific Java program with the specific API. So we need to do this. So this is what the way we can change. Fine. So that's all from this video and thanks for watching and I hope it is useful. Thank you so much.